Believe you, I barely can see you. I see a disguise, see fear in your eyes. So why you so private? You always on silent, got nothing to say, cause all of it fake. I'm here to expose you. Yeah, too many half-truths, I just have to. Sick of your fibbing, I'm sick of your fiction.
What's popping, everybody? Welcome back to JayCity. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6. This is brand new, straight from Apple, right off the press. Smells nice and fresh, baked from the oven. I was very excited for this product because, there are new colors, plus there's a new blood oximetry sensor and a whole bunch of other cool things like the ECG, heart rate monitor, and things like that. So I did get the 40mm version of the Series 6 with the blue aluminum case and the deep navy sports band. After I set it up, I'm going to be testing some of the features with the new Apple Watch, like the blood oximetry sensor, the heart rate monitor, EKG, and things like that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Okay, so here we got the Apple Watch. Let's go ahead and unbox the thing. So yeah, just to confirm, got the blue, deep navy, 40mm. All right, let me unwrap the plastic, but let me move the microphone closer so that you can hear the ASMR. You can hear the satisfaction. All right, here we got the Apple Watch. This is my first ever Apple Watch, so I don't know what to expect. Oh, guess I have to do this. Cool. And this side. Awesome. Got a couple of watches to greet us. Got the blue. This is the actual watch itself. And this is the band. So I guess I'm going to put this off to the side right now. All right, let's see the final reveal. Oh, nice, very nice. Oh, looks like it's in a little pouch. Let's go ahead and slip that out. Oh, it's actually really cute. It's really cute. Let me get this paper. For some reason, I thought this was like some kind of felt, but it looks like it's paper. So here we got the watch itself. And let's check out some of the paper, the documentation. Are any Apple stickers? No Apple stickers, I don't think so. It gives you a little bit of information on how to set it up and charge. We'll put this aside for now. And let's go ahead and check this out. I think this is just the standard charging cable. There's no power brick in the box because Apple's trying to save money. I mean save the environment. So yeah, I guess we're gonna have to charge it. So we'll take a look at that too. All right, let's take a look at the watch band. And let's peel this off. Cool, and I think it just slides out. Got the watch, got some more documentation. Cool. This is probably for when you have a smaller wrist. This is like the larger wrist people, so I guess I'll take the larger one out just to see what's popping. A little bit of plastic to protect the metal. And then, which side is which? Let's see this. Okay. Fair. Looks like this goes on top. Slides in. Bottom one. It slides in just like that. Very simple. Oh no, it's just a really tight fit. Again, first Apple Watch. Don't know what to expect. So there you go, now it's powering on. All right, looks like I need my phone, so let's break out my phone. All right, so I got my phone over here. Let's go ahead and set this up. All right, I'm guessing English, Canada. Start pairing, so I'm gonna have to open up the watch app on my phone. Where's my watch app? Okay, cool. So it just gives you an automatic prompt for easy setup. Cool, set up for myself. Put the watch to the camera. Oh, my hands are so shaky. Cool. All right, let's set this Apple Watch up. I wear it on my left. Connecting might take a moment. Terms and conditions, agree. Enable, share, kind of like default. So I guess I'll do that. Apple Watch. Sure, I'll create your password. Oh, I have to do it on my watch. Okay, set up activity. Daily move goal. We'll go moderate. Exercise goal. I don't know, we'll go like 45. Stand goal. Okay, 12. Blood oxygen enable. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Of course, Apple Pay. Now let's see, emergency SOS, clock faces, continue. Install all apps, sure. All right, let's go ahead and actually take a look at the watch itself. So that's the digital crown on the side, got the display, got the side button, okay. It's still syncing, so I guess we'll also give it a couple of moments. Looks like the Apple Watch is still syncing with my iPhone. And it's letting me know that my Apple ID is being used, which is cool. It looks like my Apple Watch is almost ready. I'll get an alert when I'm done so I can use my phone normally. So I guess I could, I don't know, what's on my phone? I don't know, I guess I'll play some Clash of Clans. Should I do an attack right now or not? Screw it, yeah. You know, I see potential. All right, screw it, I'll do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. I'm so glad this guy has a multi-target. Absolutely gonna kill the P.E.K.K.A.s. All right, let's just end it right there. Really bad attack. Let's go check up on the Apple Watch again. Okay, perfect. All right, so welcome to Apple Watch. Okay, so I mean, I guess we could check out some of these things. Like, again, I've never had an Apple Watch in my life, so I guess I could try adding like a watch face or something. Okay, press the digital crown when I'm ready. Okay. Oh, that's nice. The taptic was really nice when I first like held it. I guess I'll put it on my wrist. I think it's pretty good. Slip that in. All right, cool. So now we got the watch on the wrist and we can, wait, yo, the taptic. Oh, that's actually really nice taptics. Let's see, we can customize the color, or what if we did like a red color? Oh, that's just the color of the text. Oh, wait. I think we can change watch face by 3D touching on this. Yeah. Now we can add a new watch face. Kaleidoscope, liquid metal, emojis. Oh, cool. Photos. That's me. We got Pride, Simple, Siri, Solar. Wait, give me 1 second. The infograph. Oh no. Yeah. All right. So it looks like the UV index is 0 right now. I think that's the temperature. Oh, cool. Timer. Oh. So this is like you can set a timer if you really want, and then that's your activity monitor. Move. Exercise, stand. Okay, so it looks like my heart rate is 81 right now. It was 71 2 minutes ago. Cool, so it looks like I'm at 98 right now. What if I take a couple of deep breaths? So I just took a couple of deep breaths. Oh, it's still 98, okay. Let's see how many kms I walked today. 0, beautiful, wow. Very active today, as you can see, Spotify. Ooh. Well, it's loading because I have like 1 trillion songs on my Spotify, so it's gonna take a while to load. Okay, so I think that's enough digging around on my watch and on my phone. There's one more thing I really want to check out, which is the EKG app, because, you know, I was born with a bad heart. Looks like my heart rate has slowed down a little bit. Okay, so it looks like my heart is fine. There's nothing found. Cool. I guess I'm still alive. Okay, I really want to do an extreme test of the blood oximetry sensor, so let me flip the camera around and let's go ahead and take a look at that. All right, let's go ahead and try it one more time. So one thing I am genuinely really curious about is how well the actual blood oximetry sensor works. So I'm going to do an extreme test. I'm going to hold my breath and see if it's gonna detect that my blood oxygen level has been lowered. But fun fact, you can't actually suffocate yourself from holding your breath because your body is going to naturally just stop itself and let it go. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's.
2,000 years later.
What? 96? I literally held my breath for 2 minutes. All right, let's try this one more time. Still 96. Okay. So it looks like I'm not dead, basically. Hey, what if I just take a couple of deep breaths and let's see if we can get it back to 100? 99. Okay, yeah, so it works. Okay, so Okay, I think it's not going below 96 is because, you know, your boy's alive, but I took a couple deep breaths back at 99, so looks like it does work. So I did try the blood oxygen level one more time, and I was able to get it down to 92. All right, now let's test out the heart rate monitor. So I guess I'll do some like jumping jacks. I don't know. All right, let's see if my BPM is a little bit higher. So, surprise, surprise, it's higher. Oh, this is like the camera shutter. Cool. Oh, whoa, 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 I just did something. Wait, hold up. Hey, watch. Yo. So now I'm controlling the zoom of my camera right on my wrist. Yo, that is sick. That is it's pretty awesome. Okay, so I think that is enough poking around at my Apple Watch and phone for now. We did determine that the EKG app does work pretty well. The blood oximetry sensor, the new one, does work very well. Of course, we got the always on display, which is 2.5 times better than the previous version, plus the new S6 chip in the Apple Watch, and all of that combined together makes this really cool product over here. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Again, this is my first Apple Watch I've ever had in my entire life, so I'm still like getting the hang of it, you know, where the button layouts are, how to like customize it and things like that. So once I get used to it, I could do a full review. So if you guys want a full review, then let me know in the comments below. And also, if you guys are new, subscribe to JayCity and enable those bell notifications, and also smash the like button. That is it for me in this video. I hope you enjoyed it and stay safe. Peace out.